Hello and welcome. My name is Frank, musician photographer here in the Midwest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a jump cut for a TikTok video. Alright, so this is actually a very simple video editing trick, and I'm going to show you how to go into it step by step. Now we're going to use PowerDirector Mobile, which is free to use, and then I'm going to assume that you already know how to film and all that, so I'm just going to show you the clips and how you bring them into the editing program and how to achieve that. Now what you're going to see is I have the phone on a tripod. Now you're going to need to have the camera on something steady so that the background and nothing else changes, and then whatever it is that you want to appear or to change will happen quickly, and in the cut it's going to look like seamless. You know, it's going to be that magic stuff. But anyways, let me know what you guys are on TikTok. Are any of you guys on there? You're gonna want to get at me. It's Artemorbid at TikTok, so go check that out. And this actual video is on there, and it's a real simple changing clothes type of thing. So you're gonna see me from having one t-shirt to a different t-shirt. So very simple. It's just a sample for this tutorial. So let's jump right into the app, and let's see how we achieve that. All right, so you filmed your clips, you have them on your phone, so you're gonna need two clips, right? So you're gonna film them separately. Now let's launch PowerDirector, and let's go in here. All right, so let's bring in our clips. So we have the first clip here, and we can just hit the plus button, and it'll add it to the track. And so that's the first clip. That's the one with a different shirt. And let's bring in the other clip. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to the timeline, you want to slide it over, and you want to pick a starting point. Okay, so for this clip, let's move it over to where I'm actually in the shot. Okay, so you're gonna drag it, and then you know, if you do something where, like, for example, I did a quick snapping of the finger, and then it switches over, right? So you want to do it right when that part comes in. So let's I'm working on the first clip, and we're gonna go so that you get it right as I'm snapping the finger and then changing. Okay, so you see there, boom. Okay, now that was our first clip. Now let's edit the second clip, and then we're gonna bring it to where the changeover has happened, right? So let's go do that right now. So let's bring it over, and then on the second clip, it helps if you are very similar to where you left off, you know. So the finger snapping thing is where my cue is to start off the second clip. So, and then we'll begin with that. Okay, let's drag it a little bit more. Okay, so here we go. Trying to get it right at that spot where I need it to be. Okay, now I got the second part. Oops. You want to click, and then you want to drag it to where it ends. And by the way, guys, this is really short, so it's not super long. Let's just play it real quick and see what happens. And then when you're on TikTok, well, what you can do is, once you have the clip 15 seconds long, you're going to take that clip, and then you can add music to it, and then you have your jump cut. Alright guys, I'm going to cut it to the main clip and show you complete with the audio, so you guys can see exactly what that sounds like. So it's a pretty cool effect. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this before. Have you tried this jump cut trick before? And if so, let me know in the comments where I can find that video, so I'd like to check out what you did. Let me know if this was helpful to you, and if this added value, or if how can I do it better, or if you got some other ideas that you want to share that you've done jump cuts with. I'd love to hear it. So this was just a very simple one for the tutorial. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to your feedback, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.